So today I am featuring this lunch that I have prepared for my mom. It is my homemade green lentil curry stew, and I will have the recipe for this in the description. But I just wanted to feature this because this is one of those nutritious meals that actually, even if you're vegan or you're part-time vegan or meat minimalist, this is actually a very good meal to have that's very satisfying and nutritious. So I'm going to share a little bit about what's included in here. So I have spinach, and there's also carrots and onions, and then this particular one is topped with curried sausage. And so again, I'll have the recipe in the description for you, but I just wanted to feature this for those of you who are lentil lovers and could appreciate a meal of this nature. So there's a variety of ways that you can actually prepare this, because you can use it as an actual soup by adding more water. But also, if you don't want it to be a soup and more like a stew, then there's just less water, that you add to it. But as I mentioned, I will have the recipe below in the description, and definitely if you make it, let me know and leave a comment below about how yours turned out. So I'll be back with more mini meals soon.